Hello students, myself Professor A.N. Kulkarni and I feel proud to talk you regarding communication systems, fundamentals of communication system. These are the special sessions I am talking for my students of SYBSc Computer Science having electronics as one of the important subject, and in electronics they have a topic of communication system. In this whole sessions, in these all sessions, we will be talking about communication system, basically digital communication system. We will be talking about various aspects of digital communication system, and we will be talking about various advantages and features of digital communication system also. So let us start with definition of communication systems and basic requirements of communication. So what is definition of communication system, or what is definition of communication? First of all, we will talk about communication, then we will talk about its system. So communication is transfer of information from one place to another, and it should be done in efficient, reliable and secured manner. Now the question is, what is transfer of information from one place to another? The simple reason is that I have some information and I want to transfer it to you. So I am a transmitter and you are a receiver, and now I am trying to transmit information from transmitter to receiver. I am trying to exchange information from transmitter to receiver. The process of exchange of such information is called as communication. Now a communication system, whenever we are making communication should be done in efficient, reliable and secured manner. It should be done efficient, reliable and secured manner. The main aspect saying these words is that whenever we are trying to make a communication should be efficient. That is, whatever information transmitter is transmitted, that should be given to a receiver as it is. That is efficient. Reliable should be there. That is, when information exchange is there, there should not be any loss of information. There should not be any, one should trust on this communication system, and therefore it should be reliable. And secondly, information should not be lost, or information should not be stolen. One should not steal information, and therefore communication should be secure. So basically we can say that communication is the exchange of information from transmitter to receiver in efficient, reliable and secured manner. Now coming to communication system. Communication system is a system designed to make communication successful. Here the same thing is written: components or subsystems act together to accomplish information or information transfer or information exchange. So the system that is designed to make this communication successful is called as the electronic communication system. Now we have understood what is communication, what is communication system. Now in order to design a communication system, there should be some basic analysis of communication system. And first of all, we will start with requirements. What are the requirements of communication system? The first requirement to design an efficient communication system is it should have highest rate of, or it should have higher rate of information transfer. What is rate of information transfer? The amount of information that will be transmitted from source to destination within a specific time is called as the rate of information transfer. It is desirable that rate should be higher. When a rate should be higher, rate is not a random quantity that you can say that this will be the rate. So it is dependent on number of factors like physical construction of the system and the methods you are adopting to use, or methods you are adopting for successful communication. Accordingly, rate will be variable and higher rates are desirable. Second requirement is purity of signal received. The received signal must be as similar to that of transmitted signal. If signals are not matching, then signals are not pure, and if signals are not pure, then it is worth useless to design such a communication system. One more requirement is there, that is the simplicity of a system. System should be simple. One should be able to use it in a convenient manner so that he can use its all the features to make communication more and more effective. And one more and final requirement is system should be reliable. If system is not reliable, then there will not be communication. It is expected that a transmitter and receiver will be able to communicate as and when they want and at the rate they desire. So as per the requirements of transmitter and receiver, system should be designed. So these are the four requirements of communication system. From next session, we'll be talking about block diagram of communication system and other things. Here we'll stop. Thank you.